This is the HOMCOM stainless steel bathroom cabinet. I'm going to unbox it in a minute now. So I'm going to just show you what it looks like. That's the top open. And you've got a polystyrene top onto it. So if I just take it out, there's the cabinet in there. I'm going to take the cabinet out now. Here's the cabinet unboxed with all of the wrapping that was on it. As you can see there, I've taken that off. And if I just open up, you get 3 levels of actual shelves. And in the corners, you can see holes there where you drill into the wall. 4 holes where you drill into the wall, and you get some screws and some drawer plugs with the particular cabinet and the instructions on how to fit it. So I'll show you what it's like when I've put it up anyway, so no worries. Okay, the cabinet's hanging now, and as you can see, I had to use a spirit level to get it level and everything. Let me just open up the doors here. And as you can see, you've got 3 shelves there. And the screws that came with this cabinet, if you can look in the corner there where I've screwed them in, it was a 2-man job, was a number 6 screw with actual drawer plugs. So you will need a number 6 drill bit to drill the holes. So that was a bit hard. It was a 2-man job, but I'm pleased with it anyway. So that's that. That's it empty, the cabinet. And I'm pretty pleased with it anyway. It's a very nice cabinet, this particular HOMCOM cabinet. So that's it there. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And peace out.